Our garden has a system where we use fish to provide nutrients for our plants. And so how our system works is we have these two tanks that have koi fish.
There's two tubes. The blue tube transfers water into the tank. The green transfers oxygen. The water goes in through this small tube into the tank. This bigger tube, this big blue one, takes the fish waste or ammonia through gravity. It gets transferred from the tank into this algae tank. This algae is what breaks down said ammonia into nitrite and then nitrate.
It's amazing for them to take the curriculum of math and intertwine it with sustainably gardening with aquaponics.
I show them volume, surface area, ratio, conversion, a lot of mathematics applied in the aquaponic garden.
And then they're doing it with the fertilizers and application. They're taking minute decimal math and quantifying it with learning and seeing applied results by how much these plants are growing.
So why do we care about growing these mangroves with schools like you all?
Our collaboration with UCF is really special because what we do is we take young mangroves and we grow them up to a certain point, close to adolescence but not quite. And when they get to a certain point, about a year or two in a time frame, UCF comes and takes them back and replants them around places like coastlines.
The reason for this is throughout Florida, we have lots of shoreline erosion problems. So having students get to grow these mangroves really gets them to connect with how important these plants are, how important the ecosystem in general is.
And it's really making a great impact with sustainability. So we're incentivizing them by just making and creating more meaningful learning in our classrooms.
I am incredibly proud to say that our school is contributing and making a change because it really does make me feel prideful in being a part of this all.